Hi friends, I'm Dr. Mohammed Usman. Thanks for watching. Now let's talk about Enflor Sachet uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Enflor Sachet is a probiotic used for the treatment of acute diarrhea. It contains Saccharomyces Boulardii, which is a beneficial yeast. Enflor can also be used alone or with other medications to prevent inflammatory conditions such as colitis and candidiasis. The sachet contains lyophilized powder for incorporation in water to form an oral suspension. Enflor sachet contains almost 5 million cells of the gut-friendly microorganism Saccharomyces boulardii, which restores the microbial balance of the intestines. This probiotic also treats and prevents diarrhea by stimulating local immunity and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella. Enflor also promotes water reabsorption in the colon, thus preventing watery diarrhea. A pack of 10 Enflor sachet, 250 milligrams price in Pakistan ranges between 770 rupees and 800 rupees per pack. This price can vary depending on the manufacturer. These are the uses of Enflor sachet. Non-specific diarrhea or loose motion can be caused by various factors, including bacterial or viral infections, certain medications, or dietary changes. Enflor sachet contains beneficial microorganisms that help restore the natural balance of the intestinal flora, thereby alleviating the symptoms and reducing the duration of diarrhea both in adults and children. It prevents digestive complications. Enflor sachet restores beneficial bacteria to the gut, preventing digestive complications such as colitis, candidiasis, and intestinal inflammation. By maintaining a balance of good bacteria in the digestive system, Enflor ensures smooth digestive processes and prevents associated disorders. It also helps patients receiving nutrition through nasogastric tubes sometimes experience diarrhea. This condition can be due to a change in diet, the composition of enteral feeds, or the absence of oral consumption, which affects gut motility. Enflor sachet can be beneficial adjunct to their helping to stabilize the gut environment and reducing the occurrence of alimentation-induced diarrhea. It also helps in maintaining normal bowel function. Enflor sachet promotes a balanced gut microflora, ensuring regular bowel movements and avoiding loose motion. So how do you use Enflor sachet 250 milligrams? The duration of treatment depends on the dose and the severity of the infection. Usually, one sachet once or twice daily is recommended. Empty the powder in the sachet in a small amount of water, usually 10 milliliter, or as directed by the doctor. Mix the probiotic content of the sachet in water until completely dissolved. Avoid mixing the lyophilized powder in extremely hot or cold water. Drink the suspension immediately after incorporation. The Enflor sachet can be mixed with juice to mask the unpleasant taste for children. There are some side effects of Enflor. Enflor contains healthy yeast and is rarely harmful. However, a few of the expected side effects caused by the probiotics include yeast allergy, fungemia, epigastric disturbances, flatulence, bloating, etc. If you experience any serious side effects, call your doctor immediately. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.